Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dream Channel. As you know, Academic Dream Channel is a channel, a classroom for B.Ed course. So, in the continuation of our discussion, today we are going to discuss a very important topic from the paper Action Research. And action research is very important subject in B.Ed course. So, our subject is action research, and in different video we are discussing about different topic, sometime in the form of question or sometime as a plain topic. So merits and demerits of action research, what are the merits and demerits of action research, what are the advantage and disadvantage of action research, merits and limitation of action research. In this way, a number of questions is asked, but the concept is same. Ultimately, merits and demerits of action research. So, in this topic, to answer this topic, merits and demerits, here I have made a table, that is, this part is for merits, this part is for demerits. So, in favor of merits of action research, I have written here 7 points. How many points? 7 points for merits, and at least 6 points are written in favor of the question demerits of action research. So, both merits and demerits are there of action research. Now, we will discuss one by one about merits of action research. So, as you know, action research is done by teachers or other professionals to solve some immediate problem. So, as action research we are discussing in B.Ed level, so definitely it is the action research of teachers, and a teacher faces a number of problems in the classroom. Without solving those problems, his teaching will be meaningless or it will not effective. That is why a teacher must do action research, and merits of action research are: number one, remedial measures of classroom problem. There may be a number of problems in the classroom. For example, some of the students may not do homework regularly. So, a teacher must go through action research to know the real reason of the problem, and he will find the solution. So, definitely remedial measures for what are the action, what are the measures the teacher will take to solve this kind of problem, that can be known by the teacher through action research. Number two, skill development. What is skill development? The skill of teacher in teaching learning process can be developed if the teacher go through research work, and in this respect the action research will help the teacher a lot. Number three, modification of teaching and learning. A teacher must modify his teaching and learning situation. So, how can the teacher modify? The teacher can modify or draw some correction in teaching learning situation if he go through continuous action research process. Improve process of communication, number 4. So, success of teaching depends on the good communication between student and teacher. A teacher can ensure good communication if he continuously go through action research to ensure close relation between student and teacher. Provides preferable alternative to apply some method and techniques. A teacher must apply different ways and means. At the same time, there may be same problem like telling lies. A group of students may always tell lies. A group of students may always fight with each other. A group of students may not be attentive in the classroom. This kind of problem can be solved by the help of action research. But how the solution will, which solution will be the best and the best alternative way can be found out if the teacher goes for action research. Number 6, ensure innovation. That means new way to solve problem. Action research help the teacher to solve the problem in new way. Number 7, helps to meet individual difference. There is individual differences among children in learning, in acquiring knowledge and experiences, in interest. And the teacher can understand the individual difference and can apply the ways and means to meet the individual difference if the teacher goes for action research. Because the action research is the way which can help the teacher to solve immediate classroom problem. So we have got a number of merits. At the same time, action research has got some demerits or limitation. So first of all, limited area. Action research has got limited area. So though the term is research, but it has very limited area, so it is criticized. Number 2, teachers are researcher. In action research, who is the researcher? The teachers are researcher. Even ordinary teachers are also researcher. Even trained teachers are also researcher. But as anyone can be researchers in action research, so we cannot see so depth in this kind of research. We cannot expect too much from this kind of research. Number 3, methods of investigation are not standardized. So which is standardized? The standardized tool, the standardized methods are used everywhere in any country in the world. So standardized ways and means are accepted everywhere. But teacher-made test, local test, some techniques may not be standardized, and teacher-made tests are not standardized only. So methods of investigation which are used in action research are always ordinary method. But in case of fundamental research, generally the methods are used or the methods are standardized. Next, number 4, teachers' observation may be wrong. Teacher observation. A teacher is good observer, and observation is a method which can be applied in action research to find out the different problems, mistakes, and other characteristics of children. So teacher's observation, as the teacher observes practically about the behavior pattern of the children, and observation is considered, that is why, a method of teaching, a method of learning, and a method of action research also. But sometimes teacher's observation may be wrong. Sometimes it is seen that some of the children are not attentive in the classroom. But if you ask question on the topic you taught, immediately he answers. So this is wrong observation, that someone from the observation only, a teacher cannot say definitely that someone is not attentive in the classroom. Number 5, may not give novel ideas. through research work, we usually find out the novel idea, new ideas. But action research may not give new ideas, it may even repeat the traditional ideas. Number 6, culture may affect action research. Culture. So, what is our culture? In our culture, children are, especially girls, are little shy in comparison to boys. So that is our culture. But you should remind all the girls in this world are, in different countries, are not shy. Usually, the girls from Western countries are not shy. Some of the children seem to be not cooperative in the classroom. It may be usually in the field of girls' school, it is seen that some of the or in the co-education also, some of the girls may not be cooperative from class 9. They may not give answer to the question of the teacher. They may feel shy. So the teacher in this situation must go for action research. But you know, the result of the action research of Indian may not be similar with the result of European. So culture, our culture affect on the process of action research, and even it affect in some social research also. So that is why culture may affect the action research, and it can affect, it is one of the criticism or limitation, as somewhere it is called research, action research, and that process is affected by a simple concept called culture. So it may be one of the criticism of action research. So dear trainees, I think so you have understood well about the merits and demerits of action research. Just you can write in favor of 1 or 2 lines of these points, like culture may affect action research. So it will be a point. So action research is a process which may be affected by the culture. So it is one of the limitation or criticism of action research. So in this way you can explain it, and it will be good note for you. You can, if you remember all these points, you can write a big answer. It will be very learning the points and explanation from understanding is the best way of learning in higher level. So dear trainees, I think so all these points will help you to solve any question related to merits and demerits of action research. Will be